Hey guys, so we're going to review fraction decimal equivalent since that's what you guys are starting this week. So this should look familiar. We have 1/2. So when we see 1/2, we think 50 cents. So the equivalent decimal would be 0.5. Remember, you could also add a ghost 0 that does not change the value. When you see 1/3, you think 333. So the equivalent decimal for 1/3 is 0.333. If it's 2/3, we would add that twice, so that would be 666. Moving on to 1/4. When you see 1/4, you think quarters, and a quarter cost 25 cents. So our decimal would be 25 hundredths. Now for fifths, when you see fifths, you count by twos. So I have 1/5, so I'm going to count by twos one time. So 0.2, I could also add a ghost 0, and that does not change the value. Now our 1/8, that's the one where we just have to know, and 1/8 is equivalent to 0.125. It's also half of a quarter. So if you were to split 25 in half, that would get you 0.125. And then when we see tenths, it says own name. So that would be 1/10. If it was 2/10, we would write 0.2. And again, you can add the ghost 0. So now you're also going to see a problem about skip counting, and just a quick reminder of how to do that. So when I'm adding fractions, I see that these two fractions, 1/2 and 2/3, they do not have a common denominator. So I need to skip count in order to find a common denominator. So 2, 4, 6, and I'm going to stop there because I know that 3 goes into 6. So 3, 6, and then I'm going to skip count my numerator. So 1, 2, 3, and then here I'm counting by twos, 2, 4. And I want to circle my common fractions because that's what I'm going to use. So 3, 6 plus 4, 6. Now I don't have enough room under here because you're not going to do what I do, right? You're going to give yourself plenty of room to show your work. So I'm going to just add my numerators, 3 plus 4, 7. And then I keep my denominator the same, so 7, 6. Now I see that that's an improper fraction, so I need to simplify it. And I'm going to take out a whole. And I'm going to put my whole right here, 1. That's my 1 whole. And then 7 minus 6, 1, and bring my denominator over here. So that would be the answer to this problem. Okay? So good luck. Let me know if you guys have any questions.